Hello all, this is Nifty Direction. This is a live recording of Nifty. It is Today is Friday, 19th Feb 2021, and this is the analysis that I posted on the group. And I'm expecting Nifty to crack after breaking 15,058 levels. Once it breaks this level, it should come down. To the levels of 1520. Okay, that's what I'm expecting. So this move is A, this move is B, and this move is C. Okay, so this is the move that it will go. So at least 1520 it should go, because wave C is mostly equal to wave A, or even beyond that it can go to this 14,962 levels. So that's what I'm expecting. So there is a small another possibility as well. Okay, when I'm expecting it to go directly to 15,020 levels, yeah, we have to watch for break of this level. Okay, other than that we should not enter. There is a divergence and all developed on a Nifty. Okay, so it has almost broken down that level. It's barely some points left. Okay, I'll pause the video here, I'll take a trade and I'll get back. Okay, so I have entered into put option. So here I have entered into 1550p at the price of almost 128. Okay, so now let's see how Nifty moves. Actually it has broken the low. It has broken the low, and yeah, I'm expecting a fall from here, almost 30-40 points I'm expecting. So yeah, at this point we should cover our position, because I'm expecting a reversal from here. And yeah, so as I alerted on the channel that there is a positive divergence and between price and RSI, and Aron indicator also turned from bearish to sideways. So not expecting further fall. So these are the levels from where we can see the reversal if Nifty starts falling down. So yeah, these are the levels that I'm expecting Nifty to go. So 14,970 it should go. Then again it should bounce back, and maybe it will be the case that we will see a reversal from here, but that is not sure. Means if it is breaking this high, then it can go up. Okay, so if it breaks this high, then it can go up, then the bullish trend will start. So right now I'm expecting a fall till this level. Okay, at least to 1520. Then after that it should go up and break this. That's what I'm expecting. If breaks this, then we can consider that the downtrend has stopped temporarily. Okay, so and yeah, that's what I analyze, and let's see later on. I'll pause the video right now and we'll see later on. Thanks. Hi all, good evening. This is a continuation of a live recording video. I had locked my screen after recording the live session, but yeah, after that the recording got completed over there, and now I'm recording a second video after market hours. Because of work I couldn't do it during the market hours. Yeah, then we were at this point when we were recording it. So it had broken this level. It had broken 1558 levels. After that I took trade in 1550 PE around 128. So yeah, that zoomed very high, because later on Nifty fell even beyond my levels. My final level was 14,970, and Nifty made low of 14,908 or something. So that is what the low made by Nifty. Yeah, but and yeah, it tested the lower line. So this move was 1 2 3 4, and this was the fifth move. Okay, so this is a zigzag move, as you can see. Okay, zigzag moves are like this: one, then again internally two, this is three, 4 and 5. So yeah, this is the way it fell down and tested the lower channel. So one can call it, this move as an expanding triangle. So you would see that it is moving like this. Okay, so this is an example of expanding triangle. So you can see here, based on technical analysis, how how sure trade you can take. And here the idea for this live video was to tell you an example, and not to promote, or not to uh, tell you that this is the best way and I can do very uh, safe trades and all. It can go very wrong. So the trade that we taken here around the break of 10,050, what would have been the safe way to exit it? So if it has broken this high, almost around 1500 and maybe 15,105 something. Okay, this was the high, right? If it had broken that, I could have exited that trade. I would not have stayed in that trade after that. Okay, so that is the way you should trade with the small stop loss. Yeah, option would have been taken a big hit in that case, because this is almost 40 points move. You might have lost 30 or 40 points depending on the option that you have taken in the money, at the money. But yeah, that's a risk trading in options, right? So just a disclaimer that you should not take such trades. It could be very dangerous for you, and you could lose your all capital. The idea is to keep alive in the market and don't lose all your capital. So just to tell you, okay. So let me show you those trades somewhere. Okay, so when the first move occurred, first candle it created, it went till 149, then it again reversed. So it reversed so much that I put the trailing stop loss as 132. It was hit and I exited trade over there. After that, even I had taken a couple of trades, like 2 lots of each, like this, uh, entered at 140 or something, then exited 154, like that. I had taken a couple of trades after that. So this is how I traded based on the technical analysis. But yeah, if I could have hold that, I could have uh, made a good. The high that it made was uh, 226. So my buying was 128, and that was only one lot. Later on, I was also holding 2 lots from nearly 140 price. So you could imagine and do the calculation, so how much I could have earned. But yeah, I don't have that much of patience, but because yeah, I have seen ups and downs. So right now I'm working on that. So you should remember that you should trail the stop loss. uh, Exiting in a small loss or exiting in a small profit is anytime better than losing big. So you have to uh, keep work keep working on protecting your capital first. Do small trades and build the capital. Don't lose everything on a single day. एक याद रखना कि मार्केट में कैपिटल के साथ तैरते रहना है, डूबना नहीं है. So with that, I end this video. Thanks a lot. Have a good day.